Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change region in Disney Plus. So the only way you can change your region in Disney Plus is download a VPN. So let's go ahead and go on to Microsoft Store. And then from here, let's search on VPN. And then me personally, I downloaded the VPN Unlimited. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on open once you're done downloading. And then here, you can have a 7 days free trial, and you can choose any location that you like. And you can also use here the search bar on the country that you prefer. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.